Hello, YouTube. My name is Gunars from Latvia, and the doctor, when had this virus, told me you're not allowed to go to associate with anybody. You can come and see me, you can get your shopping, your medication. Besides that, you have to stay inside. So I started to do something about it and started on jigsaws.
So these are about how many pieces, Grandad? About
All these are 1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces. So
Yeah.
Grandad has put all these together in his spare time, and they're all over. He decorates his house in them.
Those two are bigger. I can't remember.
Maybe, oh, this one's a bit bigger, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Can't remember how many. Yeah.
Which one's your favourite, Grandad?
I can't. Let's see there.
Oh, there's some. Is that your favourite?
Yeah.
Why is that one your favourite?
Hard to say, but I like it.
You like that one? Which one was your first one? You've done a few, so it might be hard to...
I sold my first one.
Oh yes, Grandad sold one.
Yeah. Not only one, it's a couple, I think.
Couple sold. See how good he is? They're everywhere. I think I like that one.
One, South Africa.
Oh yes.
2,000 pieces.
2,000 pieces, Grandad. So I bought one back from South Africa. So Grandad, I got you a puzzle, and I said, it's 2,000 pieces. And what did you say?
I said, that'll be a bit of nightmare to do it.
But look, he did it, and it looks awesome. So it's the big 5. Oh, there's some zebras there. So if anyone would like a puzzle, you hit me up. You can hit me up and you can...
I'm calling this house House of Jigsaws.
House of Jigsaws. Look at that hat, Grandad. It's the House of Jigsaws. And this is another bloke that...
Yeah, comes from New Zealand.
A New Zealand joker.
Yeah, they had a competition and a woman won it by doing it in 2 hours.
2-hour puzzle.
Yeah.
So that's that. And then what else do we have? There's a few more here. He's done a bloody good job, haven't you, Grandad?
Yeah.
How long would one puzzle take you?
About a month and a half.
Month and a half. That's better than any of us could do, I reckon. Trains? Grandad used to work on them.
Yeah, that's an American train.
Beautiful grease. So, there's a bit of everything, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's good. We're going to be running out of some wall space. New Zealand, where we used to live. So yeah, thanks to COVID.
One in there.
Oh, there's one more. So if you ever need a puzzle done, Grandad's your man.
Yes, I've done a jigsaw puzzle for a lady who collects albums of everything. And somebody offered her $300 and she wouldn't sell it.
She kept it.
Yeah. It's 42 puzzles altogether.
Oh, you got 42?
Yeah.
42 so far.
Yeah.
They're very good,
Well,
Grandad.
what I have here, I sold 2, so this makes 44.
44 now. Any final words?
Yeah, there's one coming up as surprise.
It's a surprise for you all. Special one coming up. Grandad's going for his morning walk in the Hervey Bay. The markets are on every Saturday here.
Oh yes, I'm enjoying my walk. Thanks to your granddaughter bringing me here.
Thanks, Grandad. My pleasure. 89 and going strong, eh, Grandad?
Yeah, my laps.
Doing your laps,
Yeah.
getting your steps up. If Grandad can do it, all of you can get out there and do some sort of exercise.
There's a Keith that comes here every morning on a bike.
Every morning keeps you out.
Every morning on the bike, have a ride.
You got a bloody
And
nice.
he's off for coffee.
Oh, it goes for a coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee is Gunars.
You can't spend too much time with us because the coffee gets cold in.
Oh, so he's high and by. And this is Keith, enjoying the sunshine.
The dolphins there this morning playing up.
There's a lot of young ones getting
Yeah,
here as well,
yeah.
Now we wait for the next one.
Yeah.
Who do you reckon, Bruce or Jeff?
I don't know, but I'll probably Bruce.
Bruce. Alright, we'll see if Bruce comes next. Look who finally showed up.
Yeah.
This is Jeff.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, everybody.
How are you?
Oh, not sure yet.
Not sure yet?
Too early in the day.
How long are you and Jeff been friends?
At least 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Not that long.
They come here and they sit on this bench and talk about all the ladies.
That's right. I've got one at home, but she's not as pretty as you.
Oh, Jeff. Bruce?
Good day, eh?
Hey, this is Bruce.
Yeah. What's that thing?
What's that thing? Bye.
The time has come, the walrus said, to talk of many things, of shoes and ships and sealing wax, of cabbages and kings, and why the sea is boiling hot, and whether pigs have wings. I don't know anymore.
Thanks, Jeff.
These chaps here, they all know, and they think that they all know, but I think half of it is to having me on.
He's remembering that you can slide further on bullshit than you can on gravel. It's true, isn't it?
Very true. And Bruce is just happy.
Right?
Bruce is just happy.
Say something. Say a nursery rhyme.
I don't know. No.
Of course you do, you've got children.
I'm not there.
We have the whole gang together today. Bruce, Jeff and Grandad. They've been coming here for 15 years and sitting on their favourite little bench. If you're ever in Hervey Bay, make sure you, if you're in Torquay, going for a walk, make sure you say hello to them. They are lovely, they greet everyone. They're just, yeah, they love the beach. Check out the whales and the dolphins. Bye. Bye. Bye.
You can see my teeth on my own, can't you?
Bye, Bruce.
Bye.
See you, Jeff.
Bye bye. Bye. See you, Jeff.